morning, country people. Then we salute all man. We don't shit on now for see wait to remand. It don't bring them. Yesterday we not be there, but today we day on board. Inside Cameroon, when something refine, it vex people them. One person want do something way tomorrow, some people then go get on top. Another one then they retire face. We don't know why. The population for side for Donga and Mantum division for Northwest Cameroon. They don't cry road because they don't turn a mud fish, they turn for inside mud. Government for Cameroon, it talks to this so Palava mud, it don't finish. It give we 3 company them where they go tar road from Combo, go read for Mr. J. From morning time, now way to the man, a one she done, then call them say they don't burn caterpillar them for site for that side for do. I ask question whether they so finally when I need now waiting because man not understand. Yes, we did none for inside strong number. So we go talk about caterpillar the way they don't burn them for site for new and they talk to this so this place till people them they ever should done for this place and they cause trouble. We could come on now and then we talk palava. This one we're not glad. Where lions them time where they don't win that match now so they glad. But when we see our inside now say Cameroon national team, it get 2 DJ them. One na Clinton J and the second one na Nathan. The one with the picky way come up for Victoria United. So na them be the musician them for Lions for site for Cote d'Ivoire. And they pay them 50 million each DJ. We come on now, we go see how ambience after the match they win them for side where they call them now for Minka. For side for Santa, we I for LTM. Free boy, he be there for that side. He catch how people them they be jubilate time we Cameroon a win. When we finish now, we go internal for sad news. Now the one way happen for side for Boya. Accident for Bondoma and they say there's a camion a Chris after with the camion driver. He will enjoy, say this so Cameroon, he don't last win the match, he qualify. Now he will enjoy with camion last, breaks he fell, now he will jam motor them. And they say this so people them, they don't go 6 feet and so on and they for sick bed for side for Buya Hospital. We go talk back again for side where they call them now for Bisale village for side for Libya where contractor he don't abandon the work for that side market where they begin for this countryman. He don't be them, he reach halfway, he leave them and then disappear, he never appear like a god. But we still divide hard for no the contractor way he will take for build this market. We could talk now, Palava, this one way population for side for Konjok and for side for Bafang road. A bit of our wall where they will work for inside mouth. Now we forest guard them, they don't turn, they say this so. This Palava mouth in Okode again, they don't start, they fix the road for side for Soho village. People of Ondobiam, they glad now. We go yet where countryman to, you go talk with an eye for ATM for that side. We go talk Palava road for come up for side for Magba, go over the color say for side for Ntaba. Now we all man they don't decide for park their motor them. Say they so that road they don't over and plenty control. They for that road, so they don't decide for park their motor them for Ntaba. Say they're not going to carry passenger again for go with them for side for Magba if they not fix the road. We go talk about this one now accident will happen for side where they call them now for Njikijem na village for side for Oko na motor that way be the fly picking one crossroad now way the driver a match break motor a tombosai as this countryman a the talk for Oko talk explain how it be pass driver be taking motor for that side for Oko where you get for pass for side for Bamti reach for that side for Uncall reach for Lassen reach from Benon before a go drop the passenger and where they be inside a motor for side from Boya. So for Oko na way a make accident for place where they call and say wait for place where they call them na for Oko for that place where we na Sabiam. So we come up with that one we also remain for side for Oko this time around no for Njikijem. Now we then have for a lack market for Oko. Where go for that side for Oko it don't come seal all the different places for that side for a lack Oko market. So all thing business people them the typeface say they don't know why they do it don't decide for make this kind of work. News in the interview say they lock the shop them now for 9 nights. Business people that want come for share money time, they only see na paper for the month for that business place. What did it pass? We don't try for say me we get the Diomi tell we why a seal the market. We not succeed for get it. But camera is also the tonton for Oko for see whether it is so if it cash deal. We go back for Dumbu Ranch, Dumbu Cattle Ranch, place where they make le agri cow. They work at the other side, they the typhus, they the vex say they so. They overwork, and for drink water, they take more than they take more than 3 kilometers for go drink water, and then they turn back for work. So they vex to say this. So people that when they don't go retirement, they never get their retirement benefit. When we finish now, we could go now for Mokang village for site for Bamungo for Ask Chief. Me tell we what did it pass? You will don't be for America for long. Chief, he get talk for talk. When the time it go reach, we go talk now palava weti. We go talk palava this one now sense story. Sense story it talk say weti. Sense story it talk say when thunder it kick out them for hill. Now that time or the day where you go know how many butchers you get them for inside village. When thunder it kill cow them on top hill. Another day or another time you will know how many butchers you get them for inside village. Person we stand for we na Pastor Ngala Edwin She when na pastor for Presbyterian church or Presbyterian parish for play what they call am for Betenge Balo. For that side for Southwest na send am for we and person we support am as a woman Ma Priscille is support am for Mbanga Toget. Now we then we will come back and then we will see am all. Now a shidon and place where you shidon you not get for the talk. Now me at the talk you yourself you go only the year na year and then the see. Chapter 1 me we start now for Palava this one where they don't burn caterpillar them for site for Ndu. This one na thing where don't pass all man. That way they don't say for social media. They say they go wait where they so general MOKO when I the work I will bring for Cameroon for sweep or dirty it go show am. I say I go show am. Then when they will send this company them for Kanstar Road from Kumbo, going for side from Mr. to Riman with sure. And as also to Riman, it will short time way the population for Donga and division they work out inside Mott. Government for Cameroon, it decided so it go send with 3 companies where they go tie with the road. What you don't make can before when I start the bond the caterpillar them for this company them. That means when I say when I don't like the thing where they want to have a winner. For paying motor for come over and do, go for how much? And all these things when I do, I say, we are not the shame. We are not the shame. Caterpillar don't come to come move we for inside Mott. When I think when people don't get for the cook chop, they go there for the work at them. But we instead plan a bad thing for go born caterpillar. Nothing now where they talk to this so Wimbo man he overget jealousy. Me I talk and today clear. Why when I go burn this caterpillar and we don't come for Cantar we road? That means we no like fighting. We go pass time only for the complaint. Pass time only for complaint. When man commercial money time for go for farm, for go walk in way tomorrow, picking go chop am, he go na for house. When I see am, now the caterpillar we don't slow now. They when we start the work. Now in this way, and they born am for 2 a.m. breaking today. And they ask question whether they so what we need am, what these people then for Wimbum land, they need that. Fine when I not need fighting, better than I say government withdraw all the company, millions they suffer for inside Mott. Now my own solution And I think that way are the proposal. Better you call all the contractors them, they can't, me they turn back, leave the road so. If they don't talk to me, when I road get for big tar road. Then when I start the bomb caterpillar, and when the caterpillar will fix the road, I refuse as well going. Now you will get for that road because they say somewhere road a pass, development the polo. When we get wicked mind, this thing that way, all we get for top on top. Jealousy begin when I wait, and witchcraft it begin when I wait. Because of a witch, you know the pay with anonymity, it be when I losses. When I rob when I still inside mud, they won't come up when I have a mud. When I say no, it's fine. I ask when I whether so this action fine. Be Joseph. Person we don't do this thing. I the beg they fund them. They fund them for Dongo Amantum and they fund them for Wimbum land. For make tradition on top this caterpillar with the wrong bonam. So that mean that people are not succeed for life. So that mean they confess and I'm not wait away. Me say to where me move for down. This thing not that way they get for liver. Yes, I talk the side the one. And then after now, I enter for chapter. If you take contract, when you get your caterpillar them. Now, see what you going to do now say, for me we get police, we get gendarme, we get army. Why person will get this caterpillar not fit take army, they made they guide the caterpillar then too. Yes, and when they don't put camera for saving the thing, for seeing my way, you don't come born. You go carry a whole caterpillar, go and then go you. It don't happen now. We will do have for no person way. It don't bother. Eh? You take contract for how much? For pay policeman, me can't be guide the kako. Now how much? Since that we put hand, we don't want for liberate something. All things we want enter back pocket. Any man where they ever share, it is strong for say some kind of thing happen for you. Now because we too we over strong hand. He will not be strong hand. If people that be there with the order for pay even the village boy them, me that they guide the place. This thing never happen. So I the third man where he get this company, I no one call his name. Me, he don't see this one sign. Me, he try when I for recruit boy them where they go to guide this the caterpillar them. I know 1 year again say they don't born. You don't hear no man where get the caterpillar. I know one call your name here. Yes, try for put hand for pocket. Pay water boy them, the guide to Yakako. Now in this now, if they will guide them, this thing never happen. Any man where you hand on top this thing, now we are going to see the powers them, for the force them. Need and do tradition because we need road. People them for side for Dongo and division, they need konta. Yes. Even now they go use now power on our way to that room will pass. Those go the born when I go born so they for side. Another one and they for where they come. Not like fighting. Jealousy, it go kill now. We should know now, we see now 2 DJ them for inside Cameroon national team. Why they don't call them, say they go for African Nation Cup for Cote d'Ivoire, but for them for go enter for free play, they decide for the sing na music. Me we hear Francois. Number 1 for inside Africa. He don't decide now for the sing the music since that they never put it for free. This one attacker, the other, and when they picking way, they take them for Victoria United. For can't put it for free, they say no, we service sing the music. So now we service sing music when the co-player can't transform it for DJ and then pay you 50 million. That one they happen now for which country? We could see all thing for this Cameroon. Player, they will call player pay 50 million for go play, for go work the 50 million on for fee. This man when they go now, first time for called where they call you for national team, but it don't turn now musician. Oh, Clinton J now way. Sometimes we know the fight now one winning for go for the next round. Then carry you same you sing music. Now the highest DJ than this way they get money for Cameroon for Africa now. Yes, 50 million where they pay them. for sing for national team. Hey! We see now time when Lions they be win for side where they come from Minka. Now for Pinyin. How they be there now they wash Ndamba. When I see them? Now they on snack and now they on nightclub this for side for Minka. Minka is there under Santa a subdivision for side for Northwest Cameroon. When I see them? Now I hope where people they sit down at television that where they show Ndamba. Then where I from that house free boy. He turn he pass for that side say he get for Siam. And he get for talk with the way I see him mop he get right for common time so that me year a year. So now so they will work and that's Cameroon it must win. We yet to everybody talk. Now correspond on that.
So you see say Cameroon they talk say unbeatable and untouchable Lions. Yes. They don't wait till they don't show the match today. So as you see, so all we for here, so we'll be happy for when it don't happen today.
Happy.
So as you see, so we talk say Cameroon may go before. They some banana don't do wait to wait.
You get any advice for some?
Yes, I get any advice for some because I want to say this team we don't put up today, so a very good team because that player the way they be there for outside. He don't put them today. And if I and the player the way I want a player the way that to today and the same player the way they begin for their team.
Okay.
So so they will be happy.
So the line of fine today?
No, the line will be very appreciable. Okay. Thank you for the team we don't play problem one today. So we'll thank you. Thank you. Now free boy where they on the dot. Where they when a reporter for LTM where they work for Santa subdivision. Thank you.
So we don't yet to free boy, you don't talk on for that side. Me we come on now we internal for inside chapter for accident. They say this so after the match where Cameroon will succeed for win, it be turned now war for side for Boya. They say this so camion man if they enjoy on top of the camion and then a one touch breaks you know the catch again for side for OIC. Now way a pass go for side for Bunduma. Now way a jam motor them plenty people them they don't go 6 feet. Where we not ever can see them again, they go only organize that day for wakekeeping and day where they get for burial. Plenty people them too they now for sick bed for Boya a hospital they take medicine say this so the accident it not be easy as when I see them. Social morning time I for LTM for side for Boya it be turn it go for the now they no go to that now the motor than this where a jam from night after the match where Cameroon a winner. Plenty people in the ground. I said plenty people them. They there for ground. Those where they get not thought and those where they don't die not die. So now so they think it take a happen for that side as we not see. And so me we ask them now in that yes me will look that one again when I see person for down and they think it cause traffic for side for Boya where people then go for walk for late hour. So when I see them now people in this and not taxi than that where they go over jam and when now one camion it don't do this bad work. This one now waiting. Now think that with the talk say so when something it is number no say so you get for keep your motor for some side you rest or you keep your Okada because when match it don't finish you will see how people they run and careless for inside town. Now in this now camion man as now picking for country he says with the glad before it can last it happen as it happen. One person as we see him they say plenty they don't carry and go. Me we ask on this one madam. This motor is start the case now for which side? Talk me here.
Now starting from OIC, right? For that OIC, the stand after the jam motor na kokona conject and it jam two motor. One carry some bulmata there, it display like 4. Don't finally it display and people they get accident. Like I think also we don't see people they don't stand, they don't lie down. It's like about 5 that they are not okay. Yes.
I think I'll see people Kwango and do not checkpoint. You don't reach OIC, taxi will be inside the driver, he realize and say, come the town to park with speed. So he be very rapid. So he shifts aside, park aside, the camion pass. As the camion pass now, he notices and say the camion don't pay brake. One just see the next person who are park. He comes say, no, that camion where they go, I don't pay brakes. The man where he don't enter our motor say the camion where don't pass, you don't knock the motor for back day. tout le monde follow the camion. As our taxi now, you follow the camion. Once can reach for Jenny, once I see the camion already damaged, one motor for it. One can reach now for mini coffee. Once I see already damaged another motor.
Those where they don't lost their family members say na God. Me we want to fight for LTM for village where they call say Bisali village. Now this one where contractor it don't start work fine. After he never halfway, he slice disappear like a devil. He never appear back. Now I think this one we talk every day say this so government. We again will be contract for person and then create some permission where you go to follow the person. Because now we know to see this contractor. And we don't know where he don't go. Market don't remain halfway. And sometimes we don't pay money for you all. How we could do now for take back the money? And how we could do for see the contractor? Because now, mommy and papa them, where they do business for that side, they don't turn back now for their old shit. There's also the day now in that. There's also the same now for here. And where normal they begin for sale now for inside market way, they don't bill them and where they go to pay shops. So when I say this one, big losses, where will the losses? Now big losses, where will the losses for country? But waiting, it is passed for give contract for person and then create commission. This one, government policy for the very village where we not see. Contractor to become the contract for Binam, but last we see say this so they don't build the college now with bamboo, where it not be normal at all. Why we the work for Cameroon and they say contractor now so picking for Cameroon, but see work way it don't work am. If find you, they say not fine. We need that one now we talk about the road where the people of the side for Bafang and Konjok they be over suffer for inside mud. When we see in town, now so Bafang road it be. When we see in land, now so population for side for Bafang for go Konjok they suffer. Now so people of Konjok for time for Bafang they suffer. When you see them, so these people they don't cry. Say government for Cameroon, they be give them deadline. Say now for October 2023, where Caterpillar and get for Komoya only go for that side for go fix the road. They don't should also take fire. Now anyway, people take sense say this so. Me people them for forest guard, me they help. Me we see now how they fix the road. They don't fix the road. And people from outside for Soho, they be glad. This one about Soho quarter. Oh, village. For that side, the Konjok. Where it don't matter now, all man declare because they don't see Caterpillar, it don't come, and they fix their road. And then they tell me say this Caterpillar, not Caterpillar for forest guard. Say that they think the road so because they get plenty timber where they get for common time for inside bush, for take and go get for white man. So now so, Caterpillar that. That is still picking a hand in the glad. Last time we don't see Caterpillar again. Last time we need to pass. But the people will ask and say, when they think I will not get got a hold them, when rain go fall, it go so spoil the road. And when it's time to the forest guard of that side, where they don't do all, and then they fix the road. Even if they not so for come for Bafang, going for Konjok, motor in the water quick. Okada they go now. That means they don't help them. If they will not so outside, sometime all man is for glad. Me we ask now for I for LTM for site for Konjok. Countryman, we dey so for outside and why we not the glad? Who don't help we now with Caterpillar where they dig on the road? When I hear the way Countryman will talk. Oh yeah.
This so we didn't have for road for Bafang, Konjok for Mabago, na the so na road for where they go for Bafang. This one a village for Sohok. Sohok where they for inside arrondissement for Konjok, département du Cam région for littoral. And since we, Monsieur le Ministre, the talk say work must start for October. Since that October, sep one bull, sep bouet sep we never see them. We don't come for here for sure. We say na road where them don't start for make them that. But today, for mardi today le 2, we know say na forestier where them dey for them don't cut fraud for Ndomalang. Na them today where them don't grab them dey for Rakle grab from Konjok come sauter go for Ndomalang for go take them on bid de bois where them don't cut and for day. And na we dis also rappeler for Monsieur le Ministre, c'est vraiment il fancy, il remember we for say thing we don't talk and we all media them don't talk. Na janvier this way it go finish some time after February, after we go be na for saison pluvieuse. We go manage continue for suffer how we did for suffer so and we planter them cacao is fine for price. Maintenant the road in order. Na we did for talk for minister say Monsieur le Ministre, Papa Nganou Djoumissie, Mimba oui, you not fancy you forget we how we you want live we so for inside suffer.
When we declare for this site, they must hear and then go fix them. Now we go now chapter for road again for C road where they come up from Bonso for go for site for Ntaba. Where I for LTM, Kulaman, na him make we get the video. Me we see their own route. Then is also cry. And that Bonso Magba. This road it don't go where I don't cry for the route. Cry. No man not hear my cry. So the driver them for side from Taba when na them they run transport for the road. They don't decide to park their motor them, na them that. The motor them don't park say they so they don't walk again. Over control them for that road. And they get the road over Wawa. The price where they put up, so they so they could carry passenger. Passenger is also no one will pay. So when they pay you 10,000, but they get plenty capital. As you get plenty capital, how you go do now? How you go do now? That the question that where they ask them. How you could do now? Now that they don't talk to go so they not go walk them again if they not park with caterpillar for fix their road. So that means they work over there free. And say if not so, me they move all the control over the road. For Komogo, under the mother, what if on do, they get like more than 8 control. And for control na 2,000 they settle. The money for control will go for side. Now for people that are pocket, or if you go from Gomna back, if I say they go from Gomna back, that means in Angomna, a get for sale caterpillar, me a go fix the route. Me we answer now for this one of the driver, countryman. Why when I decide for park all motor them for down? Talk me with here.
Yes, I salute all man. What you already told I say we don't over suffer for here for the season. Where we know the pass fine. And then come in us for over here no room and say either they will fix some or they no go fix some. Them say if to say they no go fix some so that me will know them more power we mutun they go with them. And then when we go save the farm we will say that they chop them now for where we know the pass. And then we don't pay per time or anything, no nothing, we know the work and then they see and say what it. They see and say more do now. Thank God. So that you know over worry we over. See now we not time for farming. Either we go back for farm. Then remain we so made they cook them expire. One control too much. They too dear. They don't know fine. Then we will do how. I want to that way. Or they ask them. Yes. Now so for the 4 hours for work and now. In time now for the 4 hours wait I say that time for Renaissance we've been at 2 days. Where with the pull motor sports for motor plenty them not dry, don't dry, we're not there too for the motor to walk up. And now so we know the see no sign them say we want to better more power or me stand me begin them to play for on top of more do and then we don't pay all book.
Be all. And the way next time
Where? I'm a road, Palava road. Anyhow we do. We honor for sure. Now we gonna have a site for Oko. Njigijem. Now name for the village. Njigijem for site for Oko. Now accident we don't happen for that site. Now motor that. Motor where a carry passenger for go live and for site they call him from Boya. And from Boya you come up for site they call him for Oko. Go down for site for Bantu. Come down for site from Call. Reach for Lassing. Go off from Binon before you go reach from Boya. Now where this contraband they explain them. When we hear thing where driver go talk. Me we hear contraband. Now driver that you come up for outside, you go for outside.
if you go na which place?
I go Misaje. I will go from Boya.
Boya, and Boya na which place?
After Lassing,
Yes.
we go up. As we go Banso, for some village they call Lu.
Low. Now you be the driver, eh?
Yeah.
Thank God.
happen, the image too is not plenty. We will do her now. Yes, if it be plenty, we for take time for explain and for people, but the image overshot. So now, so it did. They say now because of network, if you film for Oko plenty, you that means it will take like 1 month before you can reach. We do her. So for Oko, now this time around network it don't work. Fine. Now for a lot market, when the biggest market for that site, and the market began for be yesterday. Now anyway. After yesterday, they say business people they want come for market, they see where they don't lock that do not for their business place. They put big pepper and we big book is there on top. They won't look at the system so now the job for side for Oko, it don't make the work. Then what business people say they so mayor, who say you day? Parliamentarian for Noni, who say you day? They say they so the hand in order for inside this locking jitis. That means that the church they so sometimes Joe for side for Oko he get trouble with business people them for a lack market man no. Because normal business person he begin for talk why they don't lock his shop. And how you don't come see shop where they don't lock him. What you don't do. No man no talk. For total for come talk all right book send them for social media. Me, we know why we don't lock the shop. We only see a sell by the divisional officer for Oko. Now with the water now we come out of Oko. Say we go meet up Joe. Me tell you why we don't can see market. Joe you say we know the see. Our assistant we know the see. Market a day lock. Market for a lock Oko. Now in that. Where the first of all, business people and where they don't invest their capital inside business. Now in this now. Now they say, oh yeah. Now oh yeah that shop you know they open, how you go do for sale. Customer we don't come buy. He no go buy again and we don't pay transport for car for market. At the ask and where will they go? Will we go now for one side? Will we go now before? Or will we come back? Or we turn at one place? Before cost for Cameroon, man they just sleepy. So tell the woman, he don't do something, he vex, he go come out the next day, jogging a decision. Mr. Joe, why did this business people and don't do them before you can lock shop? Oh, now that matter where the tonton say they so they know they open for Monday. In na you talk no? Yes, my video send them how would they ever send paper? Yes. We decided to chief doctor for side for Mr. J. We you know they ever miss the program. He did now on board, he did watch the program. Chief doctor, we salute you for side for Dumbo. You did live for LTM television. Now General MOKO, the only general where they work out with broom for sweep country. I say Iraq market where they don't seal all the shops. Why they seal the shop and why Joe is sealer? Why mayor no know? Say they don't seal the market and why parliamentarian to know say they don't seal a lack market for Oko. Now question that. Mayor for Oko, council, who say you dey? Yeah, people that way they vote you. Now them that they don't see that shop. So now you got to meet up now. The job for Oko. Say me go open all the shop them for a lack Oko. Because man nothing they pay pattern. After they can't see his shop. Now for say me do how. And then now the very people that again they go sing song say they so me when I say picking for school and some more time say me when I pay school fees they go pay now how way when I don't see place. Yes, but we don't know, we know the judge no man. But now say Joe for Oko it be get for whole with these business people then and then they take decision for them before it can seal. At the time according to me, even me I be the duo of call them. Me we should not meet in first. You see I'm no? Yes. So as they don't go see that, so sometimes again you right man no. But even people that say for a lack Oko market, they be get for talk. Yes, when I be get for talk for microphone, so that means we know why they don't lock the shops. We come on now, we go now for side for Dumbu, cattle ranch for Dumbu, place where they make hybrid cow, transform cow, it can't turn hybrid cow, where if it jam you so. You go hear one. Now in that, have a company that. Plenty cow they come over this company. And plenty worker in there for this cattle ranch for Dumbo. But the only problem where they get for them, I say, for go drink water, they take them more than 3 kilometers. For go drink water, turn back for work. Now, when people they ask questions, say, this kind of suffer, we picking for country, Cameroon. They suffer again for inside Cameroon. So, if we be going to have a neighboring country, we could go suffer now how. Now, when the back man for cattle ranch for site for Dombo say, me they try to buy pipe, draw water for the one pump where they get them. Bring them for inside company. So that cow too, it could take advantage for drink them. So that put too, it could take advantage for drink them. Fowl too could take advantage for drink them. If they feel the suffer people, they not get to for suffer animal. And for cattle ranch, they get a school where people they go for there. Now in that government school for site for Dombo cattle ranch. But also water for the picking for drink. It not be normal. Now where they talk to us, so even road for go for that side, it is some kind way. It is some kind way. Now inside platform, okay, the pass. Now in that, what we talk with one. When we talk with some, when I see road, where we go for a whole country ranch, where work at the stuff for day, even work at the way they don't work, go for retirement. They decline and say so. Since where they go retirement, they don't get that retirement benefit. We say don't go. Me we go now for side where pump day. We don't come on the other side. Where people they should don't, they walk, they stay. Me we go now side where water day. Now in that. What? They go talk say this man, it go show something for Cameroon. If you never see LTM, you will see for outside again. Now here where they will see you, I'm sure all, and then make me understand where to where they pass. Now time this way, camera go for side where pump day. When I look only at this time, for side where we come up, and side where we go now, you go understand say this so we dey for trouble. When I see huh? See side where we go. See side where we go. We go so we go drink our water and then turn back. Voila. We don't reach now for side where they tap a day. All we go for I chop Christmas. See side where have to go. Now they tap this. Where a whole company tap drink over here. Cow the tap drink here. For the tap drink here. Good the drink here. And then people into the drink here. Student into the drink now for here. And then they go again far away distance for go turn back for school. I ask question. This one I pull up on a ballot. Now ten this way we return back again for place where we will be first day. Play way company day. When I see the distant country people. Leave them. Yes. Now we go sit down quiet. We hear some big man, na chief, for some village. Mokang. They call say Mokang, now for that side for Bamungo. He say get tough for talk because he don't be for America for long. And he want transform Moka village for America. And he want make a me Bamungo, he shine like America. Your name na ho and you be ho for inside Bamungo. When I hear we go talk.
Thank you very much, General. Me, I'm a Chief Ba John B. the third. I've been number 2 for the Kingdom of Babungo, where I double like quarter head for Mokang, quarter. And me, I come out for Northwest region for the Republic of Cameroon. I'll be very glad where I hear where you talking because did they ever talk say when you light lamb, you know if you take and go put down for under. I don't work at plenty. I don't work at plenty for plenty white man country them. I see plenty good things and say, if I see my own people then too, me then they here, me they for year be their own white man country. For October, number 12 day for October 2001, time where my papa disappeared, they talk say now me I go be for that chair as he be talk for the throne. I start be there. I talk say it is so me I dey America. I know if we take all Mokang, all Babungo go it home America, but I will bring America for Cameroon. And I start bringing and I don't bring them plenty. I be think say for first place for start day na the credit union where we don't see and say when people they get their money, they find say me they know how they keep them. For come out village say they go Bamenda for go keep your money because the closest bank in Bamenda. They will take your money for road. So we create credit union will be a financial institution almost they like bank. They call them Mokan City Credit Union. Mokan City Credit Union. And they work fine. We be saying to say things they will can meet up. We don't meet up shrines. We don't meet up all kind things the way we ancestors they be making. We meet up country house where you know they for no place for inside the war. They come and say choose. We meet up all the things. We say, but we meet up and now so that picking the way they born them today for white man country. What side they can know the thing them? We talk some more create museum. So we create museum where they call them more can Palace Museum of Vungo Heritage. And if you go there, when you enter inside, you go see and say you there now inside the whole Babongo. Because right for the all thing day, we don't make sure say make all thing day. Mean nothing not the way it go hide and where it go lost. We fix them. Then that one no finish there. We talk say okay, that one we don't do them now so. It go correct so we just say no, it no go correct because yes, we don't make that museum, a big BB house museum. What of the palace? The palace say we know so we get old palace. Now we want to make new palace, add on for the old palace. We say we not go touch that old palace. The old palace stand for it. Where you go there, you see and where they make them with bamboo hundreds of years ago. But they make palace with bamboo and grass, touch them with grass, with wood they were on the pillars them hundreds of years ago. It did it. So we reserve them for part of the museum. Then we build with nice new palace where we be compare them. We will actually take samples for all Western palaces and Buckingham Palace, LSE Palace, all that kind of beauty palaces. So we take samples for the even Spanish palaces. Then we come now, can look and say, okay, what you will probably get and when you want to do that old palace. Then we make it waka the same way. We probably make a maybe that old palace. So now the situation that we will be saying and say, if I say, may we make that palace, that we don't make and we say, but what did the people there? What do you own people? What do you babongo? What do you work and again and from there? Yes, the palace for chief and for queens them and for palace speaking them. What the more can people they go benefit from? They will say no. One say me no one picking no she don't work and we not go school. So we open the Royal College of Arts, Science and Technology. The big Royal College of Arts, Science and Technology. It start from they were born picking. If you born
so we don't hear wait away this chief you don't talk plenty sting them the day with this chief it go still talk because it go come for Tori House live for come explain them how the living for America day and the one for Mokan village for site for Bamungo. So plenty thing and they it be one for name how they call the title member them for that site when I say the time you know day. So they will go there for Tori House live now that day we will know plenty thing them. So now we get for talk. Now you get talk for outside. When you call this program, may you off volume for your TV. If you there for inside noise, you come out. If you don't feel respect, we say we not gonna respect you. We don't see them no. So my way they hear now they do the very thing. Nothing where they talk say head where we carry them. Plenty people and they way inside that head na different thing, no in a sense. Because they never talk something for a whole mature person. We never finish if they do not the very thing. No make no sense. Better we leave you your credit begin a bond and then we concentrate for person where they raising and we go respect the program and respect itself. So that's what it is. Hello, countryman. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, your name and the salary call. Yes, Mr. Bawai from Campbell, you there for number 2 microphone. Tell me we here.
Yes, but they talk about this problem where you want to you don't ever see the shops and we're show meeting with the people that live for that area. I think about this crisis which we will go through. You don't necessarily put plans for those people. Now you don't see the children say they pay money. When you go pay money, we're going to watch covers. I really need to take care for that population because they don't be tired. More not they make this population for free the way they say. More not they show the business to the Philippines. I think you want to see the moment where the mayor and everything and just for you to step forward.
Yes. So na so he did. Anyhow we did. Yes. The next caller again. The next caller. Who say it? The next caller may come one time because we no get time for loss. Okay. If you know say this, so you know go respect where to where we need them. Better than say me we no call any country people. Hello? Hello?
Hello,
good morning, countryman. How are you doing?
No, fine. I come from Cambe.
Yes, Mr. Tom for side from Cambe.
Yeah.
Mr. Thomas.
Yes, all this I think well, you see the robot that caterpillar that thing they vex me back and then again that contractor don't want me fight. It's supposed to cast that in them, go with them for police station, go the public in the body. Don't be saying they will put up for road.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the problem for police?
Yes, they don't be the guy that. No, that is not fine with because they are supposed to be the guy that.
Yes.
That contractor come and work that work, whether that's some plan with the make and come and work that work, me work that work.
Thank you, Mr. Tom, and let's salute the family.
Yeah,
yes, Mr. Tom, that man way. Yes, those who do not know Tom, that the man way, will be showing, will be showing how you work a place for site for phone board way in the making them way. If you want to be your house, you come for the, you will see how thing and will change. Small time when I will get time for. Hello?
Hello.
How you doing now, countryman?
I mean, no, my brother.
Before you say Dr. Wanko or site.
Yes, tell me that.
Yes. What you got time? Talk quick, 20 seconds. You know, cross.
Only small things, so. But that said, that blah for contract. Why don't MOKO? The thing where I want to be, if man gets begin, he give work of begin, he not be begin, not get problem. More people will give contract for the begin them. So, the contract, the person they give up. This man not be that begin, not begin plan that begin for nothing. Because sometimes the man be the don't time alive when you never give work for that begin. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Wanko. Hello?
Hello,
good morning, countryman. How you doing now?
No, not bad, I did fine.
Who did talk the person there for side?
I'm from Kiosin.
Yes. We will hear you for that side.
I really want to know about that caterpillar the owner, so they think no, you don't affect me so they did in a caterpillar.
Where? Yes.
The thing is the relationship when they go to we are going photo the refresher what the first is get that road they carry and go down them na road they make up one side. Some people don't walk on the pump caterpillar we want to make road with the suffer and the one to go the talk say now because that road get with the bottom with the caterpillar with the bottom. Now which kind thing do the ready one so would they cry they want to fix up would they spoil them again and spoil them. The kingdom has made me. Me the chief them ready come out make tradition.
Okay, thank you. Yes, you don't talk. We get for the make me development come outside. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
If you know if we come up for corner television, we come out you for corner. Yes. Me we not respect when ourselves. Good morning, sir. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. Your name and the side will call. You get 20 seconds. I don't start the count. 1, 2, 3.
My name is Kingsley. I come for dollar.
You see, when I sit where we talk no country people. Now, Marchon man is but they do for corner television be the call. But where we talk, it is here. Hello? When I carry BBS off of nothing. Hello? Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, who did call the person then of outside?
Yeah, the person there for your own day, Mr. Kingsley, the call.
Yes, we give you 20 seconds. We don't start the count.
Okay, no, I just encourage you for who kuna work una the work. I don't kuna me God put in a hand. When I continue the work, so me country go before. Thank you.
Thank you. When I see a man they respect himself in the corner, some people they go call whether man there for corner he girlfriend we want follow him. Oh man, the first problem in a wife, he just put volume, they talk anyhow. I don't know why when people are not raising. Hello?
Good morning, General MOKO.
Morning, sir. Your own name now. You recover which part of the country?
That's my NJANGI. I recover boya.
Yes, 20 seconds will hear you.
I don't want to congratulate another fund for that good work where they do. They say if you all person be willing to go out, come back with that bright idea like new country for don't be in a white man country. So I congratulate you. Say more tomorrow copy. I will go outside. I will copy a good thing. Bring her back for our country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Daniel Ngeh for Saifo Boya. Hello? Another call again. We salute all man for Saifo Nchui and with the great all man we did for Saifo Fumban. We salute all man for Saifo Fumbot where they go see themselves tomorrow. Yes, Njo for Fumbot and for Kotaba and for Fumbot and for Kotaba, Ndong and even yes, they did plenty. Hello?
Hello, good morning, General MOKO.
Yeah, morning, how day?
No, thank God.
Who they call the voice? It didn't say that Mr. Kenneth.
No, na Mr. Mifiri for Douala.
Hey! Mifiri?
Yes, Mr. General.
That Mifiri them plenty. Okay. Yeah, we hear you, sir.
Which way touch me that issue for that caterpillar where they born am so.
Yes.
So I believe say government get for take a very strict measure because that time them they suffer for that road and they get water for this. And other people they know what about them they do all those things. Because the climate development camp, where development camp, we know what me take place. We go blame ourselves, we go blame government.
Now the
so they get protect all people where they dey for around it. They must know the boys and then be careful they guard caterpillar. And so again the one for Maba. When they go send caterpillar, they know born them again. So it is very funny. We start complain, we blame ourselves. Because maybe government is trying its best another way, and they must try for contribute to for see how we put them in order. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Another call again. They don't burn caterpillar them this night for site for Ndu, and we na company where we come for come make me Ndu people them don't go man to me they get contact. Now in this now. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hi there, no coachman.
I defy.
Who did talk the person then have your side?
I did tell that man, then I pack and go. I did for Puma.
Pack and go, and then you pack remain for do it.
I did for Puma. I want to go back at the caterpillar with the kids out.
Yeah, they born and go.
Yeah, the white they born at the place where they the contract, every day the contract, they not be good. It not be good. You know why we fit take money for all go to community man for guys item.
Now the question that countryman.
When I thought the next time they do one of let the say me the go when they get that money we go community man for can take care of that motor them.
Thank you. Hello? Hello? Good morning. We salute those who are there for our side for place where they call them now for Nguti, and we salute all man for inside that side for Konjok. We salute all man for inside Indian. Yes, we salute the people from Indian and those from Goketunja. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir. You're on name now. You recover which part of country? You get 15 seconds.
No, Master Pastor from Cambe.
Pastor from Cambe, off the volume, no pastor.
Yes.
Come on for corner television, pastor. Come on for corner television, pastor, man of God. Respect what way we talk.
Yes, I talk about where they don't go caterpillar.
Yes. Talk with the ear.
Okay. Don't you know family, Master? Don't you know family? In such mean government try all way for see the people where they don't burn down caterpillar. Mean they try all way. That route for all people. All people, no, they don't take route go with them.
Thank you.
Hello.
Now, Pastor from Cambe. Hello? But we never hear your name. Hello, countryman.
Hello, General MOKO. Good morning.
Morning. Who did it?
Yes, I'm at the call for your own the inside car quarter.
Yes. We give you 20 seconds. Talk quick, countryman.
Okay, I did try for calling that phone for that MOKO village so.
Yes.
Where you don't work all over, then it learns from small sense for sure for people them. I believe say if all from them they work like you, so that means say that 2035 where they promise my country say will come in Europe. So as you say, if they work together like that phone, so it go fine. So I'm not getting enough for town, I just for town when I so for when I over when I did town when I.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Who the for answer the call?
My Kingsley, the call for Douala.
Yes, we give you 15 second talk. What do you get for talk?
Yes, I just do for the thing with this the bonus.
Yes.
The thing don't want me to pay.
Okay.
Yes. I appreciate when I was sure that I do. I think we do see more fine. I'll be very happy.
Okay. Hello? The kind of people in that. They carry the head, they say a joke. No, not you know the inside. Someone may tell me say that even pay some people that not pay them for distract people them for the program. We don't get time for that one. You want the pay person, me can't spoil God the program, and when I got a grade you, well, Satan them they suffer. Yes, we take another person where he get hurt and where he hurt now sense he did inside. May we leave the other person. Hello? Hello? Okay. We salute all man for that side for Obala with the great all man where they watch their program. For side where they call them now for side for Ngarum and those from Tondip. We salute all man for Taco and those for that side for Low. We greet all man way there for the other side for play where they call them now from Boya and we salute all man for that side for Takija and we salute all man for side for Kumbo. We not forget those for that side from call. If you the call where we know the pick you know say you don't make mistake. Hello, we take different person. Hello, countryman.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, good.
Yes, who the call the person there for side?
Oui, je suis avec toi.
Oui, on t'écoute.
Oui, je vois votre travail, c'est bien, ça se passe bien.
Ok. Merci beaucoup, hein?
Oui, merci à vous.
Okay. He the call for site for better. You see, I'm fresh man. He talk is short. And he respect. That means a fresh man. A year thing where we don't talk him for English, he respect and pass my way the year the English where the fumble. Hello?
Hello,
yes, how about Bonaberi?
No, Bonaberi, they fine, no?
Okay, talk me now, me we hear you. What do you want to talk?
I want to talk about the way they call remember on television. So when person call, just cut here, people then do they follow that program.
Well, now so no people the way they don't pay them, say me they can't spoil the program. So don't
leave. The program, Papa.
Yeah, you know say for church, not now all man they go for church for go prayer for God. Some people then do where they go for church for go hide now that wish.
I want to talk about that store them where they don't look for Uku so.
Yeah, that's store them for a lack Oko.
Me the people that don't go meet up pastor no father me they go beg you.
Ah, that means what the father and pastor they do for inside this matter.
Them, how would they be big bond of so no? Yes, me the go big how would they be big bond of so they go open up. They go do away they don't know why they look their store. Yeah, but how Joe Bond up and SDO from Gokitunja, they instead glad for work with population, they talk say they not go lock shop again. But why the Joe for Oko, if for take example for that one too, no? Now you are the top man, me they go meet up father to Oko no pastor them me they go beg that one.
Okay.
They want me they beg it too.
Yes. No, they will go back you. They will go back you. They don't start the back you then now for Cameroon now Beckham say me no do so, no do so. Yes. Yeah, man, no, they understand. Sometimes the people them way they get stored. Sometimes they don't make something way it vex the Jew. Hello? Hello? Last caller, it is check. Last caller, now who? We salute my way because say Tanto Tanda win title holder for Oko Palace with the salute here and with the salute Lambert Kiven and with the great man they call and say who with the salute to Mr. Freeboy for side for Santa and with the salute Oman for side for Mancon. We salute the fund for Baba and with the salute to the fund for Bamungo. We salute the fund for Bambalang and with the salute the fund for side for Bali, all the Bali them and with the salute Oman for side for Batibu. And then we greet all man with the follow we. The program don't finish, me man not call again because time it don't catch we. So man, you know they call again. We don't give another time when I decide for spoil this program that spoil them. The program don't finish, countryman. So we go to school. Anything where they pass for your on site, may you hold your Android phone so you video them. When you hold your phone so you make any video, you send them for we for that number we when I say them now WhatsApp number. And then you make sure say you do so you don't tell we wait till we don't pass for the place where you take videos. Not just send with video, you not turn on nothing. because plenty video in the way we get them, we will no side way come out. So hold your Android phone so way hold and so now better size. What we show for TV, you will see I'm glad. We the only advise those way they fumble. Say this God it be clear this head. Me neck it carry him. And me neck it not carry na something we go over heavy. If na water there for inside your head, that means in a neck it will suffer. But if na sense it did, that means say head with neck it could work a fine. When I see time for calling, when I see some people and they win a water day for inside the head, some people and they win a sense did it. So man way it gets sense where they call, you know the hear voice for television for inside. Now man way na different thing there for inside your brain, where it call you the hear noise for television for inside. Anyhow, picking way they for nursery school, it the thing pass some part them where they did for us. Now so the well it did. Now God if you don't create them so. So with the time man where they can say Mr. Francois, now you don't make him before when I see we for upside. They call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where they work and I will broom for sweep all country. Me it clean because Cameroon is not get for remain for inside dirty. Those people do where they don't burn caterpillars. Tradition it get for common them, me they see their face. Me they don't check say they don't succeed. We nothing need road, they come for can't give road, we still go burn caterpillar again. And me not be saying that politics because we know wait the way it happened for that side for Wimbumland. Yes. Me politics not enter for inside this palaver route where they digger. Small time you go hear say now because say now this person it not be like say me company do this one, this person it will not be like say me the road pass for a farm, this one why they broke years, that one not did now. Now development where people for don't government they need them for now. So bye bye, me will go now go rest because play the thing them go there tomorrow now Friday, and we could get 3 man for inside to the house when Lambert Kiven, now he can talk how he don't see Cameroon. We don't go. We'll meet up tomorrow 10 o'clock.